Hey everyone, want to open files faster with ueli? Instead of browsing through folders in File Explorer, ueli lets you instantly search for and open files directly from your keyboard. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to use ueli to find and open files faster on Windows. So let's get started. First, make sure ueli is running on your computer. If it isn't already open, launch it from the Start menu. Once it's running, you'll see its icon in the Windows System tray. Press the global keyboard shortcut to open the launcher. The default shortcut is usually Alt plus space, although you can customize it in the settings. If file search isn't working, open Settings and make sure the file search extension is enabled. This extension allows ueli to search index locations and display matching files as you type. Now type the name of the file you're looking for into the search bar. ueli will display matching results almost instantly. Use the arrow keys to select the correct file, then press Enter to open it. For even faster access, keep your frequently used files in indexed folders with clear file names. This makes it easier for ueli to find the correct file with just a few keystrokes. Practice opening files directly through ueli instead of navigating through File Explorer. The more you rely on keyboard search, the faster your daily workflow becomes. And that's how to open files faster with ueli. By using instant search, keyboard shortcuts, and the file search extension, you can spend less time browsing folders and more time getting work done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.